So here we are, ready to start installing our composite straight rail. Easy system to put together, supplied by 6th Avenue Building Products and manufactured by Bodo Plastics. Let's get started. Here are some of the tools you're going to need to install your rail systems. 4-foot level to level your post, hacksaw to cut your rail sections to length, tape measure, black marker, square drive bit, 1/8" pilot bit, a drill, silicone, and 2.5" lags. Let's go see what's in the box. Out of the box, your composite post kit will include one composite sleeve, a post cap, and a base trim. Out of the box, your composite rail kit will include 2 metal sleeves, 1 top rail, 1 bottom rail, 2 top rail mounting brackets, 2 bottom rail mounting brackets, 2 crush blocks, a packet of screws, and 14 black aluminum spindles. Next, let's install our post sleeves over our 4x4s and make sure that you install your base trims before you install your handrail system. First, we got to install our crush blocks, which will help determine the height of our rail. I like to measure them 2 feet in with a 6-foot rail system. We have a metal insert that we're going to put in there to stiffen our bottom rail. Okay. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to install the crush blocks. We have the self-drilling screws, which will help go through the metal support bracket. So installing the crush blocks not only supports your rail, they will also help set the rail height. Let's go ahead and install the brackets for the bottom rail. Always making sure that the angled part is up top. Now we are ready to start installing our aluminum spindles. We're ready to start installing the top rail. This one has the metal insert as well for stability of your top rail. Slide your mounting bracket onto each end and start installing your spindles one at a time, working your way from one end to the other. So last but not least, we are installing our top caps. Little silicone on the tabs. And there you have it, the completion of our composite rail system.